Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Little Crafter Show. My name is Eileen, aka Eileen, the Little Crafter. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. And today we are going to be working on DIY dashboards. I have been waiting for my dashboards, and anyways, for my classic happy planner. This is my cover, and I'm using the silver rings. I was lucky enough to get them at Michael's. I originally wanted the black ones, so this is one of them that I showed you. And I also want to share with you guys this beautiful one that I was gifted from Metalhead Planner. So beautiful. I was like, OMG, this is gorgeous. So thank you, Danielle. You guys, you have to go check out her shop. She's amazing. So I got these ones. I'm trying, sorry, my apologies. Oh, why don't you just do that? I really don't want the tab. That's the word. You could use this as a template, or you can use a simple one. You can also always use your electronic cutting machine to kind of get the shape going. I'm just going to cut this out. I did not use my Cricut for this one. And what did I use? Okay, so this is, I kind of want to show you. All right, so I just cut it down by the center. This is not 12 by 12. This is, I think it's, yeah, this is a huge. So I didn't find printable cardstock. So in a smaller, like letter size, it was way too big. So I just cut it down in half. So yes, you want to use printable cardstock. I did use a program for this, and I cannot remember the name of the program. But yeah, so I'm simply going to take my, whatchamacallit, you can always hold it down with some washi. And I don't want to waste any washi, but I'm going to have to. I'll just use this one, even though this is still my favorite. I just realized that you can, if you're worried about it, I'm just going to use a little bit. Just, okay, get it down, tack it down, and just use the rest. I'm just going to start from here, and we're just going to and I'm going to cut these out with a pair of scissors because I left my actually, where's my ruler? Yeah, a ruler would be helpful around these types of things right here because it makes it easier to okay, son of a, and that's why I'm using a pencil. All right, so we are going to just want to tack it down, make sure everything is tacked down properly, and trace again. That is the only thing I have to say. All right. Actually, you know what? Let's just try and keep your hand as steady as possible, making sure you get everything that you need. Okay. The bottom one seems to be holding just fine. So, okay. let's tack this down up top. Okay, so yeah, I could have done this, but like, sorry guys, I really need to see what I'm doing here. What I was gonna say. So this is the third day of school. It is orientation, whatchamacallit. I am going to be 100% honest with you guys. I'm not feeling this orientation stuff. I kind of feel like, you know, the kids kind of already know what's going on. You know, they know what's expected of them in terms of school. Gotta sit up, gotta listen, you know, just like you would in your regular class. Nothing has pretty much changed except that you are doing your work online, and that you're going to be able to see your teachers just online. So to me, I kind of feel like that is the only thing that's really different about the whole scenario. And I'm just kind of like, okay, I'm over it. Alright. I'm just going to use the ruler. I'm just over it. You know? Okay. Right. Now, what am I going to do? You know what? I think I'm going to try and use my X-Acto knife to make this. You can use your scissors, you can use your X-Acto knife, whatever it is that will work for you. See, that's the reason why I don't use my X-Acto knife a lot, because I am so like not. Let's see, did I? No, I didn't cut deep enough. All right, maybe I may fast forward this part. So you can use whatever you want, whatever you have, and then I'm gonna fast forward this, and yeah. Let's see how this goes. Okay, so it's going. It's going. All right, fast forwarding. Come on, piece of nonsense. Okay guys, so it is a little short, but I'm okay with that. Actually, just a smidgen short, I think. All right, so next up, and I thought I had this prepared. Ah, it's on the side. My apologies, I switched over to the scissors. I'm not liking the way that looks, but can't reverse it, so it is what it is. I'm gonna use my punch. I'm gonna use it this way, and it has this little center line right there. So yeah, I'm going to, and it also has like markup lines, and you just want to push it in perfectly straight so that the lines are right here, and you can't see that. All right. Okay, so there's one line here, and then there's one line on the bottom, and you want to line it up, make sure the page, and you want to make sure it's as far in as possible, and you're going to give it a little squeeze. And this is the big punch. It's a little off. It's okay. I'm okay with that, and I'm going to show you guys what I'm going to use this one for, because these are temporary. I mean, let's just be real. These are kind of temporary. I do have some, but I wanted to share just a little DIY with you guys. I haven't done like a DIY one in a very long time. I think I'm not going to use this one for September. I'm going to use this one. Actually, yes. I'm going to take this one off, and I'm going to use this section right here. And voila, this is perfect though. You can use it for notes, you can use it for whatever you want. Yeah, this works perfectly. And this is like, let's say, you know, like I said, just a little short, but it is what it is. I'm digging that. I'm really digging that. All right, so which one did I want? I forgot to mention, this is one of these. I got these images from either Etsy or what is that? We're just gonna make one more. I got these images from Etsy, or you can get some images from SVG Loves. You can get some from design bundles, I think it is. Yeah, so I don't have a laminator, and I don't have a punch. I'm gonna be 100% honest with you, that would be able to punch through everything. So I'm gonna fast forward this because you guys pretty much already seen the process. All you need is a little template. I will remember what the size of the whatchamacallit is. I am going to sit down and think about designing one from my Cricut. So if you guys want to see that, please let me know. I would love to hear your feedback on these projects. If you guys like DIY, what is that? DIY planner stuff. I can definitely try to do more of that. I'm going to be honest with you guys, I'm more inclined to do happy planner projects, but maybe this will give you guys some ideas of things to do with your other planners. Because I'm gonna be honest, I'm not as, how do I put that? I like the sizing and all that. I haven't really sat down and thought about it, and that's the reason why I like to try and use the ruler for this, because your pencil, for me anyways, wants to go inside the lines, even though you're gonna cut it. But I like to try and get a straight line as possible, so I can try and figure out what I'm doing. All right, guys. So, and it's always a good thing to kind of measure twice before you cut. Measure once, cut twice. I mean, measure once, I mean, measure twice, cut once. Would be a really good thing to do. So I'm just gonna trace it, and that's that. And I'm gonna use my ruler to connect the lines, if I can find it. Or you could just simply flip it over, line that up. Okay, wrong one. Just realized which one I grabbed. Oh, there it goes. Duh. Okay, so flip it over if you don't have a ruler. That's the other thing I can do. I'll at least give you a good tip. Flip it over. And make sure that you are lined up properly. If you have to do it 3 times, hey, it works, right? Make sure you line it up. Okay, we're good, good, good. Check all the sides. And hold this down as firm as possible. The only thing that should be moving is your pencil. Yes! Ta-da! So after I cut this to size, I'm going to punch it out. So that's how simple it is. All you would need is some printable cardstock or watercolor paper, a ruler, something to cut out the project with, and a pencil. I wouldn't use a pen because, you know, you would want to make sure you measure twice. And yeah, so that's about it. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you for watching. And please don't forget to subscribe and like. Bye for now.